Hello guys, so this is the perfume by Involve Your Senses. Comes from the Origin series. Okay. So at the back we have it show that it is a quality product from Canopy Essence Group, and the best part about this product is that it's made in India. Here there are also certain instructions and cautions that is given. Make sure you read it before you use it for better use. Okay. Now let's have a look at the product. So as you can see, it has a very classic color and sleek design. Since the color is so classic, it can go with any interior of your car. Okay, and also on top we have a valve. Okay, if you want a stronger fragrance, you open the valve, and if you want a milder fragrance, you close it. Okay, because of this, it can last for long. The last time that I used it, it lasted for almost 2.5 months. Now when you open it up, you can see it has fiber. It's basically fiber perfume, because of which it lasts for longer. And when it comes to the fragrance, it has a very mild fragrance. It doesn't usually, car perfumes give me a headache, but this product, it has a mild perfume, mild scent, because of which I don't get much headaches, and it's quite refreshing when you enter the car. Also, along with the packaging, you get a 3M tape, which you can put on your dashboard or wherever you want to put your perfume, where you can keep this on top, because of which the perfume will not move around. Okay, so this is what the product is. Out of all their car perfume, out of Involve Your Senses series, I feel this name Aurum is the best. It is most mild and did not make my headache. So this is what the product is. I'd suggest you to buy it. You can also gift it to your friends, family, and near and dear ones. Thank you.